What's up, dudes? So today, I guess this will be a basic, how to paint video. Just on painting metal and such, really, fenders, body panels, stuff. I'm painting today the bed for a 2003 GMC Sierra, and yeah, that's it, man. I mean, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna be rattle canning it. Obviously, this is the budget paint job, This is the budget bed. You can see it's sanded right to bare metal actually already. A little Bondo work, but it's okay. But, yeah, so, normally you'd want to sand it a little bit, get your surface ready for paint, but the surface is ready for it. For this job, it's as ready as it's going to be. Thankfully, I don't really have to tape anything because this is the bottom. I'm going to be painting it upside down because the inside... Ooh. Christ, sorry. I just got like a hiccup that was like almost throw up. One of those dense, strong fuckers right in the soul. Okay, sorry. But yeah, so we'll get into it. I'm going to be doing a coat of primer and then probably 3 coats of paint. I'm going to be running the Walmart special right here. Automotive primer. Good stuff. And, had to run the gloss black. So, if you have it flipped the other way, you'll have to prep the edge, obviously, and tape it so you can have a nice edge, but I don't really have that problem. So, yeah, basically, I'm going to get right into it and get into the spray foam, or primer. I don't know why I said spray foam. Okay, boys, so here it is, all nice and primed. Once you primered your entire little, whatever, say it's your bed, whatever you're painting, once you got it all primed, you kind of want to give it about 30 minutes or so to dry in between coats. You can do more than 1 coat of primer if you want. I'm not hitting the main stuff. I hit all the important areas. But yeah, as you can see, there it is, boys. So yeah, let that dry, and then you'll put on the next coat, and then we're going to throw the black. So, came back. Everything is nice and dry. It's been a while. So, I'm going to hit it with the first coat of black. And, yeah, that's about where we're at. So, we'll get after it, boy. Well, boys, there it is. God damn, these fumes have gotten brutal, but yeah. So, here's the first light coat down on this thing. Gonna let that dry, put another 2 on tomorrow, and then I'll throw it on that truck. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna cover it, You just put 2 more coats on her, like I said, as many as you want. And then you can put clear coat on top if you want to, but that's pretty much it. It's a wrap on that one. So, mouth's so dry, God. Freaking high as shit from this freaking fumes from this paint. I got all the doors open now, but I mean, holy crap. Fuck.